The winner for Best Documentary Series is Freefall, The Night the Banks Failed.
Thank you very much. It's a great honour to receive this. A few people share this award with us tonight, which is our Director of Photography, PJ Dillon, for creating our wonderful pictures, to Bob Caldwell, our editor, for crafting those pictures. We'd also like to thank Kathleen Barrington, who researched on the series with us.
And we should add, of course, Niamh O'Connor and Steve Carson in RTE, who not only commissioned the programme but gave us unstinting editorial support. But I'd like also to mention the bankers, the politicians and the developers whose greed and stupidity made Freefall possible.
On behalf of Animo, I would like to thank Mike Mullott and Janet Traynor for doing such an exceptional job. And as we know in our industry, there are pockets of megalomania, but I have to say that working with Janet and Mike was always an absolute pleasure. So they absolutely deserve this. Thank you. And I want to thank my wife.